Hey, it's Lauren with Bead Box Bargains, and I am super excited to let y'all know that today we are finally going to be listing some of our individual April Bargain Bead Box extras from the Making Waves collection. So our original shipment of extras got lost between warehouses, but we placed like a small second run order. Basically, I went back to the factories and I was like, hey, how many more can you make me in a month? We weren't able to get more chain, but we were able to get more of pretty much everything else. So I thought I would show you what we have coming up today, Friday, June 5th, almost said May. We're not in May anymore, at 2 p.m. Central Time at Bead Box Bargains. These will be in the box extras category and at the top of the new items list. You can see there's a nice countdown timer on the website homepage right now if you aren't sure how that relates to your time zone. So first off, we will have more of these big flower amazonite pendants. They are gorgeous. The colors vary, the patterns vary. Sometimes you might have slight surface imperfections on one side, and that is considered normal for this piece. Is beautiful because flower amazonite has different minerals, and if they're at the surface, you may see some surface irregularities, which is totally fine and expected. So we'll have those for you, and those will be priced at $4.99 each. We have the small amazonite teardrops. I didn't think we were going to get more of these, but then we actually were able to get some. So not a whole ton, but some is better than none. They also will vary a lot in exact color, as they are flower amazonite. We've got some more variation pictures on the website too. These will be $1.79. All right, now some of the beads, they didn't have any more of like the 7-inch strands that we included in the box, but they did have some longer strands available. So some of the beads will be available in longer strands than in the original collection. So that will mean they're a little more expensive, but you're also getting, twice as many beads. So there's that. And these matte amazonite are one of them. That is a longer, about 15-inch strand, I believe. So these are the 8mm beautiful matte amazonite rounds. And it is going to be $7.99 for this full strand. And all these prices, again, are before the 30% box member discount. So if you are a Bargain Bead Box member, you'll get an extra discount on top of the prices that I'm telling you, which are already reduced from the MSRP. All right, we've also got the 6mm flower amazonite rounds, and these are going to be $2.99. Super pretty. We will also have the flower amazonite English cut 8mm beads. Now these again are a full strand or a longer strand, so it's about twice as many as came in the box. They are going to be $7.99, or no, sorry, that was for the rounds. These are going to be $7.59, which is actually a really good price. We got a really good deal on these. We don't have a whole ton of them in stock though. So you got those full strands. Tell you what, I'm going to leave these kind of out so you can kind of see as we go. I feel like that would be fun. All right, just so you can kind of compare the 8mm, 6mm, and then the English cut. All right, we've got some crystals too. These are both strands of the crystal beads. So we've got the pink matte AB ones, and we've got the beautiful blue AB ones there too. Or yes, they've got the shimmery blue on them. Both of these are going to be $1.29 a strand, and we have a pretty good number of them. We've got about 300 of each, so I was excited about that. One of our most requested items from this box, I was able to get 400 packs of, so very happy about that, and that is our stainless steel twisty pendants. So you get 2 per bag. They're going to be $1.99 per set, and they are, again, stainless steel, which I love. And we also have some more of the matching wavy bail. This is going to be $1.59. It's got the little sticks there to add a pendant if you would like. So we'll have those for you. We also have some fossil coral. So this again is a longer strand, and they didn't have a whole ton in the same size that we sent out with the box, but we did get some. I think it's like fewer than 20 though. So not a whole ton of those. These are going to be $10 for the long strand. But they did have some slightly larger ones too. So for comparison's sake, there we go. And these are also going to be somewhere in the $10 to $11 neighborhood. I still have to price those out, but just to show you the size comparison, we've got, this is closer to what we sent in the box. These are larger and slightly more squared, which is really fun, with beautiful fossil coral. So very excited about that. Thrilled that we'll have those for you. And we also have not a whole ton, but some of the green angelite nuggets. This is a slightly more blue variety than the kind that came with the box, or at least they varied a lot. But the ones with the original box tended to be a little more green. They didn't have any of that exact batch of rough left, but they had some similar ones that they made for us, and they are very lovely. And I think they're a beautiful match for the Amazonite in this collection. So we will also have some of those. We have a whole bunch of the ring links, another very requested item. These ring links are just going to be $1.09 per pack. So excited about that. The green angelite, by the way, is going to be, I think, $6.19. We also have a pretty good number, I think like 250 of these glass mixes in. This was another really popular request. They're going to be $3.79 each. And yeah, I'm excited about that. I love those. You've got the little starfish, the little fish. You've got some random 8mm rounds in different colors. You've got some little drum beads. And then, of course, a nice little seed bead mix in there, too. We also have some of the original clasp. These are going to be about $2.50. They are a genuine platinum plated brass. Little fold over clasp there. Very cute. I love that clasp. Super nice, and that is, I think, about 50% less than the MSRP. So that's nice. Possibly even more. I don't remember if it was a $4.99 or a $5.99. I should have checked, but it's been a crazy morning trying to get all these listed for y'all. So here we have the stainless steel wavy donuts, and these are going to be $1.99 a pack. And we didn't have quite as many of these as we did of the links, but it's still, roughly 200. So hopefully that would be enough for everyone who wanted some. And then we've also got the little stainless steel bead caps. I love these. These are so nice. They are going to be just $1.39 per pack. So I'm very excited about that. And I love stainless steel caps because they are both hypoallergenic and tarnish resistant. Honestly, I love stainless steel in general for that reason. All right, so those are going to be the extras that we have for you from the April box. Now, we also have some things that I think will match the May box well that just came in that I'm going to be putting up today for you. And first of all, we've got these really cute little fuzzy beads. So these they almost look like pom-poms. They have like a little plush fuzzy leopard skin pattern. They've got gold finished metal grommets there. And you get 4 pieces per pack. And I just thought they were so fun. They have a pretty good hole size. They're just really cute and just something a little bit different. And they're going to be like $1.50 per pack of 4. So we have some of those coming up today. And the last thing I'm going to be listing today to go along with May's box is a set of leopard skin jasper beads and a pendant. So the pendant's going to be a teardrop pendant. It's the same style of pendant that came with the box, but it's a different batch of rough. So it is mostly in the very brown family, which you may have gotten one like that with your original box, or you may have gotten a darker or a redder one, I don't know. But all these are kind of in that really brown and orange and black, true, like really leopard skin, which I love. So you'll get one of those. Just want to show you a bunch because they do vary quite a bit. And then we also have a about 7-inch strand of 6mm leopard skin jasper rounds. And then about a 7-inch strand of 8mm leopard skin jasper rounds as well. So we'll have these sets up for you today, also at 2 p.m. to go. I just thought they would go super well with May's box. And this little bundle with the pendant and the matching beads is going to be $8.99. So we have, I think, around 200 of those as well. So all at 2 p.m. today. Again, we have that countdown on the website, and you're going to see all the April items at the top of the box extras and new category, and the May items will be at the top of the new category. This one will be in the bundles category too, and then these will probably be in like the other beads category. But if you just go to the new page and refresh it at 2 p.m. Central Time today, you will see all these new goodies. I want to say a huge thank you to all of our amazing members for your patience as we work to bring in more of the April box extras. I'm so glad we were finally able to do that. I'm glad they came in safely this week. I'm thankful to our factory partners for agreeing to make a smaller than usual second batch for us at close to the same price. And honestly, it all worked out. And maybe, who knows, maybe someday our missing boxes will make their way back. We did end up getting one of the shipment, and those were the complete April sets that we listed last month. Anyway, all's well that ends well. But thank you for being patient. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a great weekend. And as always, happy beading.